in Sultanpete block, a CWSC student named S. Balachandru. He is studying in ADWPS Kolathupalayam school. Now he is 8 years old and he is studying in 3rd standard. He is a case of CP with MR. He is a 60% of MR student. From 2017 December, the child was brought to the SRP center regularly by his parents and regular physiotherapy practice was given. At the initial assessment, he was noted that he was having spastic CP, his bilateral lower extremities was very stiff and his bilateral lower extremity muscle power was poor and it is 2 + 4 5, and he was having poor pelvic stability, poor balance, and there is lack of coordination, and his pelvic was anteriorly tilted and he was having kyphotic posture and bilateral foot was like a club foot, and he was having a difficulty in his ADLs. The child was unable to walk and he can't able to stand also, and his balance was very poor and he can't able to do any activities without depending upon his parents. For the balance training, the child was asked to stand against the wall and to maintain his balance with the support of the bilateral knee brace and AFOs, and the Swiss ball also was used for his sitting balance, and the child was asked to walk inside the parallel bar to maintain his balance. To improve the muscle power, active range of motion exercise, active assisted range of motion exercise, and manual resistance was given by the therapist to improve his muscle strength. Activities such as standing, weight bearing activities and weight shifting activities was given to improve the lower extremities muscle power. For the postural correction, the child was asked to stand in front of the mirror and he was motivated to adjust his posture, and active range of motion exercise was given. Activities such as pelvic bridging, spinal extension activities was given to improve his posture. To reduce the stiffness, passive muscle stretching was given, knee braces and AFOs was used. The child's parents was asked to wear his night sprints during the night time. By 6 months, his muscle power was improved and his stiffness was got reduced and his kyphotic posture was also corrected, and he was able to sit erectly, and then the balance training was started. Then for the gait training, rollator was used and the child could be able to walk independently without any support with only help of the rollator. After this, the sit to stand training was given and the mobility training was given. When the child learns to walk, he was attempting with several falls and he was not able to stand up by himself. It was the major problem he was facing, because after he fell down he can't able to stand up by himself. He needs some support. Then further balance training, sit to stand activities was given. He was motivated to walk for long distance without support. Walking practice was given regularly in even surfaces and also in uneven surfaces was given. Sensory mats was given and he was asked to walk on the sensory mats. After 8 months, the exercise intensity was increased and the core strengthening was started. Now the child can able to walk without anyone's support. Now he is very happy and he can able to do his day-to-day life activities independently.